After you try this grilled fish recipe, you won't go out to buy again. Very easy to make and very tasty. So you need your peppers. I'm using bell peppers, onion, paprika pepper, scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. I'll blend this into a not so smooth texture. Now in a pan, add in your oil, allow it to heat up a bit and pour in your pepper mix. Allow the pepper to boil for 2 to 3 minutes, then you go ahead to add some seasoning cube. Give this a gentle stir and allow to fry. Now, if you want your grilled fish to be spicy, you can at this point add some chili pepper. Leave this to fry until the water is dry. The total time spent frying this sauce was just 10 minutes. Now, turn off the heat and allow this to cool while we prepare the fish. I'm using catfish for this recipe. The catfish has been well washed and patted dry. The next thing to do is to use a knife to create some incision on the body of the fish. The next step is to sprinkle salt on the fish and massage this around the fish. Make sure the salt gets to every part of the fish. Now it's time to coat the fish with the prepared sauce. Make sure you are generous with the sauce, adding enough sauce. Then you go ahead to use your hand to massage this into the fish and make sure the sauce goes into the incision as well. Make sure you take your time to carry out this step because this is what will determine if your fish will bang or not. After coating the fish, now you can add some slice of lemon. This is just going to add some flavor. After that is done, cover up your fish, wrap it up with the foil, then set this in the oven. Make sure the oven is on low heat. After grilling for 15 minutes, bring out the fish and add some lemon juice to this. This is just going to add some nice flavor to your grilled fish. You can also add some sauce to the part you feel the sauce didn't get to the first time the fish was coated. After this has been done, there's no need to wrap the fish anymore. Just leave it open and set it back into the oven for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the grilled fish is ready. Look at it. Look at that. It looks so good and tasted perfect. You can serve this with some coleslaw, some chips, plantain, and ketchup. Now this is what the fish is looking like. Very tasty. Tasted so good. Try this and I promise you, you won't be buying grilled fish outside any longer. If you have any question as regards making this fish, drop it for me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.